What if you could start each day with calm, clarity, and a sense of purpose? What if, no matter what challenges come your way, you remain unshaken? That's the promise of Stoicism, a practical philosophy that's been tested for over 2,000 years. And welcome to today's video. If you're new to Stoicism or looking for ways to practice it every day, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 5 simple Stoic practices you can integrate into your daily routine to build resilience and live with more peace. Let's dive in. Let's start with morning reflection. The Stoics believed that how we start our day influences everything that follows. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most famous Stoics, would remind himself each morning of what kind of day he was likely to face. Rude people, frustrations, obstacles. When you wake up in the morning, tell yourself, the people I deal with today will be meddling, ungrateful, arrogant, dishonest, jealous, and surly. Marcus Aurelius. This isn't about being pessimistic. It's about preparing your mind for the reality of life, so you aren't caught off guard. Try this. Each morning, spend just a few minutes reflecting on what challenges you might face, and remind yourself that you have the inner strength to handle them with calm and wisdom. Next, we have the dichotomy of control. Stoics believe that we should focus only on what's within our control and let go of what isn't. Imagine this. You spill your coffee or someone cuts you off in traffic. You could let it ruin your day, or you could remind yourself, this is outside of my control. Take a few seconds to ask yourself, what here is within my control? My actions, my reactions, my mindset, and what isn't? The actions of others, external events, the past. By focusing on what we can control, we free ourselves from unnecessary stress and frustration. Practice this throughout the day, whether you're at work, at home, or dealing with a difficult situation. This next practice may seem a little strange at first, but it's incredibly powerful. Negative visualization. The Stoics believed that regularly imagining the loss of something you love helps you appreciate it more in the present. Take a moment to reflect on the things you cherish, your loved ones, your health, your opportunities. Imagine just for a second what life would be like without them. The point isn't to make yourself sad, it's to help you see how precious your life is right now. Try this once a day. It doesn't have to be long. Just a few moments of reflection can shift your mindset from taking things for granted to deeply appreciating them. Scene cuts to a busy day. Someone making choices, staying calm under pressure, being kind, or generous to others. Another key Stoic practice is living virtuously. The Stoics believed that virtue, living according to reason and wisdom, is the highest good. This means acting with courage, justice, wisdom, and temperance in all that you do. Every day offers countless opportunities to practice virtue, no matter how small the act. The key is to stay mindful. Ask yourself, is this the most virtuous choice I can make right now? It's not about being perfect. It's about striving to live in alignment with your values. Finally, end your day with an evening review. The Stoics would take time every night to reflect on how they lived that day. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? Where could I have done better? And how can I improve tomorrow? This practice helps you refine your actions and constantly grow. And that's it. 5 simple Stoic practices you can do every day. With time, these small habits build a more resilient, peaceful, and purposeful life. Start your day with intention. Focus on what you can control. Appreciate what you have. Live virtuously, and end with self-reflection. Stoicism isn't just an ancient philosophy. It's a way of life. If you found these practices helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into Stoic wisdom. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay grounded and stay resilient.